Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage microphone on your headphones JBL Quantum 810. You have to start by opening the application and now go to microphone. Right here. Now we should turn on it. And what we have here. So we can change microphone volume. Right here, just move to the left to lower it and move to the right to increase it. And if you don't want to use ANC or talk through, I recommend it to also change right here a side tone. So again, to lower it or turn off it, move to the left, and to increase it, move to the right. Also, if you make something and you don't like it, you can just click reset microphone settings, and as you can see, we have it by default. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!